cousin Omar, and today he will gonna teach you a music cup lesson. So, what you will gonna need a cup? They say your cup shall have a tip here at the bottom, but if you don't have a cup with a tip, then that's okay. But it's greater if you have a tip. So go tell them how. So first, show them the result of the music.
Yes.
Stop saying yes.
Yes.
Let's
Okay, here we go, Bella. Okay, I'll show you slow-mo.
like that. Then I will stop first.
Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to make that. Okay, first you need to clap your hands twice, and then like that, and then stamp your hands on the table 3 times. Okay, let's do that part. There we go. Step 3. Get the cup and put on the side like this. Okay, now let's do it all. But first, before putting the cup on the side, you need to clap once. Okay? Then, after using that, clap again once and get the cup like this. Okay, let's do it. And then after making that, and then get the cup like this. And then the bottom here,
I'm gonna
the
die.
tip, put it on the table like this.
You
Okay,
should
let's
clap
do
me,
it
I'm
all.
gonna die.
Let's do it all.
But sometimes if you have
then-
a wrong, you can
Yeah.
replay it.
And then after making that, okay, let's.
Bye-bye.
And then this bottle, you put it in your hands like that, and hold it. Put your left hand on the table, and this cup here, put it also like that. Okay, do you understand? Okay,
Yeah.
like this. Okay, you can use if you want here to tap. It's okay like this. Okay, there we go. That is the cup lesson. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Okay, if you want more videos, just subscribe, like, and share our videos. Kizana?
And if you don't like our video, then why are you here, right? So if you think our video is lame, then just don't subscribe if you hate it. But if you like it, please like and subscribe. And if you have more suggestions to teach or some toy reviews or like that, or gonna make something, just comment below. And for more videos, like, share, subscribe,
Yes.
and bye-bye, kids, and see you in our next video.
Bye-bye.